How's it going, everybody? Solo Black 313 Rise and Ride coming at you. And it's hard to believe it's been 30 days since I picked up my new to me 2003 Suzuki GSXR600. Yes, 30 days. And you got to remember, for the first 10 days I had the bike, I couldn't ride because it rained. So I got to give a shout out to Approval Powersports in Sandusky, Michigan. If you guys are looking for a new or used motorcycle, they have over 600 in their inventory. And if you want to be like me, put your bike in layaway, they have an inventory list of used bikes that you can put in layaway. So what you need to do is give John a call over at Approval Powersports and let them work their magic for you.
All right, guys, back at you. All right, guys, now we're going to talk about the ergonomics of the 2003 GSXR600. As you can see, I'm 6 foot, and this is how it looks when I'm on the bike. I said the last time I had a sport bike was in 2008, and it was an R1, and the R1 was way more uncomfortable than this bike. I mean, way more uncomfortable. This bike is a pretty comfortable bike. All right, so now we're going to do some highway pulls. I can't take it to the max because these tires are old. The manufacture date on these tires are 2014. It's 2023. So these tires are 9 years old, and I do see a little bit of cracking. So I really got to take it easy. Now, I purchased some Dunlop Road 6s, and you can see the difference between the tires. And also, I'm going to show you a comparison shot between my Honda Shadows tires that are just a little over 2 years old with a manufacturer's date of 2021, as opposed to these tires being a 2014. So when you buy a motorcycle used, you don't know how the person took care of the bike. You don't know if it was laid down. You don't know if they changed the oil. So it's a mystery, and you're trying to piece a mystery together. Now, like I said, the manufacturer date for the 2003 Gixxer is 2014, and I measured the tires now before they actually reach the wear marker, and I got a 32nd of tire left. But as you can see in the Honda Shadow, which I say I bought 2 years ago, there is no no measuring. These tires are pretty jacked up. So that lets me know that this bike sat, because the bike only has 31,000 miles on it, and it's 20 years old. So that means the person that rode this bike only averaged a little bit more than 1,500 miles a year for the last, 20 years. So I really think this bike has sat around unridden because of the tires and other things that I am seeing on the bike, like as far as the fairing is concerned. I think the bike might have been dropped because I see some damage to the exhaust. Come on, lady, come on. Yeah, like I said, I see some damage to the exhaust, and this is definitely aftermarket fairings, but they didn't ride the bike a whole lot because, like I say, it only has 31,000 miles on it in 20 years. Now, like I said, I can't go crazy on the acceleration and the speed because of the tires, but I'm going to try to give you guys a little bit of acceleration onto the expressway. So here we go. Let's go. I really got to be careful, man, because I'm feeling the flat spots on this tire because they sat for so long. So I can really feel the flat spots. So I'm not going to go crazy. But I mean, you can really lean the bike, and I'm not doing anything special. But sport bikes just give you that confidence, man. You can lean this thing, man. I mean, so flickable. Okay, the seat height is 32.7 inches. Ground clearance is 5.1 inches. The bike weighs 359 pounds. And come on, baby. You gotta excuse me. This truck is kicking up a whole lot of debris. Yeah, baby, let's go. I mean, this inline four-cylinder 599 cc's is just so smooth, man. Oh my goodness. And it's a beautiful day here in Detroit, Michigan. So they say on the 2003 GSXR600, the quarter mile is done in 10 seconds at 124 miles. I mean, I'm sorry. At 124 miles an hour. And the top speed is 163 miles an hour. That is pretty cool. And it is just a delight to be back on a sport bike.